ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದರದೇನಾ?
ಯಾವುದು? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾಸ್ಪಾ ರಿವರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಾಸ್ಪಾ ರಿವರ್.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are leaving from Chitkul. Last night we came and stayed in this resort Sama, in that room right there. But the view is really beautiful. I wanted to stay here when I came last time in 2016, but I couldn't stay. So this time we stayed here. Now we are leaving towards Kaza. Spiti Valley, here we come. Chalo. Bye. Thank you. This is a new hostel opened in Chitkul. Let's go, boys. I took some amazing drone shots today morning. Enjoy the drone shots. Love the views. When I did this road on my Classic, I struggled a bit, but on the Himalayan, really liking this road. This is so easy, so easy. This bike is so convenient. The panniers, the top box, perfect setup right now. Such a dilemma always to see, look at the mountains or the road. Mountains, road. Mountains, road. Mountains, road. All. Put two tags together. Good job. These are all shooting stone areas which you should never stop at, because any stone can fall off any time. So you better zip through it as fast as possible. So this road is blocked, is what they're saying. We have to take a detour. So that road was blocked right after the Kalpa junction. So that's the highway that we are going on. But now they took a detour, came from there. The roads less taken always makes for a better view. So this is a proper off-road route which is not there on maps. Right after Pangi, we are taking an inner road guided by some localite, but the road is really bad, and that guy is on an alto and going faster than Himalayan. Imagine. Whoa! Main road. Yay! Hangrang Valley. This used to be Welcome to Spiti Valley. Now it is Welcome to Hangrang Valley. Good morning from Nako. Because of the detour yesterday, we had to stay in Nako. We couldn't make it to Kaza. Swagger, how was your off-road experience?
Crazy. As burst.
So, these are lakes looking. We are staying in the Lake View Hotel in Nako. I've stayed here last time when I came in 2016. This is the second time I'm staying here. Hello friends, Pani Piyo.